What's going on, everybody? This is a no BS review. If you guys want to see how this microphone sounds, you're listening to it right now. But if you keep watching, you're going to see an unboxing, what comes with this mic, and we're going to do a test by recording a song, so stay tuned. For those who don't know, my name is Nate Matthews, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a review on a new microphone we got. So let's go ahead and take a look, take it out the box. Alright guys, so here it is, the TechZone Audio Products Stellar X2 microphone. Before we get into this one, I want to show you guys this. Make sure you guys click the card that pops up, because I believe the review I did on this one is what made this company contact me. So let's go ahead and take a look. And from what I've heard though, this microphone is the shiznit, right? It has so many like positive reviews on Amazon and stuff like that. Of course, if you guys want a link to it, it is going to be below in the description. Again, this is the TechZone Audio Products Stellar X2 microphone. There's nothing much on the box outside of it saying right here, designed in Southern California, probably San Diego, where your boy is from. So I likes it already. You feel me? I likes it already. Let's go ahead and do the reveal. Gonna go ahead and open up the box. Let's see what we got. Boom. TechZone Audio Products, premium quality with unrivaled sound. Black condenser microphone, a large dynamic studio condenser microphone with transparent sound. Microphone designed by TechZone Audio Products. And it's like a little sticker there. So first thing I'm liking about this is that it does come with a case, because this one right here, there's no case with this. It came with more stuff, but you got to keep the box if you plan to put it up somewhere. Just a little information on the microphone. Main thing I want to show you guys can see the specifications and stuff right there. I won't go ahead and read that out to y'all, but you can see it. You can see it. To me, it's all about how it sounds though. But for those who want to know in a not technical way, this microphone captures sound from the front of the microphone. Inside it says it comes with the mic, a shock mount, a foam cover, and a bag, in addition to the nice case that it's already sitting in. Pop the lock right here. This was like hand checked. Date of a test completion, and it's got a hand signature right there so that they verified that this is a working microphone. So you're never gonna get nothing that's not working, because they definitely tested it out. You're gonna get a good quality bag here for your mic. Very soft material too, by the way. Nice quality bag. Zip that up for now. All right, we have our foam cover. It's pretty thick too. Nice foam cover there. Put that to the side. We have our shock mount. As soon as I've taken this out too, this is definitely pretty heavy, and I kind of like heavy, because heavy to me means quality, you know? It's not no flimsy plastic stuff. This got some weight to it, so I like this already. Comes with your little adapter to put it on a stand. Of course, you can always unscrew that and just put it directly on the stand if you don't need the adapter. And the shock mount, for those of you who don't know, who may be beginners, a shock mount is useful for isolating the microphone. So if there's any like banging or touching stuff like that on the table, the vibrations won't go up through the microphone. It'll actually get stopped by this the little bands here. And then we have the microphone. It's pretty heavy as well. I like it already. We're definitely going to connect it up, see how it sounds. And this thing is pretty small, especially compared to the other one that I have. My other one is actually on the stand right now, so I don't want to take it off. But oh yeah, this got some weight to it, this and this. So I'm liking that. Nothing on the back. On the front, we just have the cardioid logo right there, or the symbol, I guess you would say. TechZone Audio Products logo, Stellar X2, the model of this microphone. And something to point out too, because the company mentioned this to me when they decided to send this to me, is that I guess not a lot of people are aware that when you get a professional microphone like this, you do need an audio interface as well as an XLR cable. So the XLR cable will be plugged in right there. All right, so there it is. We put it in the shock mount. Simply just squeeze these things right here, slid the microphone into it. It's ready to be attached to a stand now. I can put this on here right now too, so you guys can see how this looks. Let's get to the main part that you guys really want to see, the setup and the audio test. All right, so now that we're at our other workstation, what we're going to do is go ahead and connect this microphone to our audio interface. If you guys are looking for this one right here, the link is going to be in the description, as well as the card. You can go ahead and click that pops up. This is a simple USB-C interface. Plug one in right here, plug the other end to your computer. Mine just so happens to go through a USB hub though, so I can plug in some additional things. We're going to go ahead and tuck this in right underneath the computer here, and we're gonna slide it right underneath the deck of the laptop. By the way, the reason you guys need one of these is because this microphone does require 48 volts of phantom power, and we have a button right there to do just that. We're gonna go ahead and plug this in, and then we're just gonna simply detach the top of the mic and connect our new microphone. So yeah, took this microphone off. I'll set this one to the side for now. And this is what I was telling you guys. Sometimes you might need the adapter, other times you won't. Mine has the wide opening. What is this called? The 1/4 inch adapter right there. And this one, I forget the size of this one, but we can go ahead and remove this. Yep, it was actually already loose. Boom, went ahead and removed the adapter. I already had one that was working perfectly fine, but if this one sounds better, why not keep it on here? All right, so now that we got the microphone set up, let's go ahead and turn the computer on. We're gonna load up our software. By the way, in the last one that you guys told me you guys liked the cover, I am the one that did say it was a cover. However, the cover was me. So that was an original song that I wrote in the last test I did with the other microphone. So thanks to everybody who said you liked that song. It's a really old song, and I wrote it a long time ago, recorded it a long time ago. But it just so happened to be when I did that test, everybody actually told me they loved it. So appreciate y'all. So let's see if we can replicate the success of the last video with the Tech Zone Stellar X2. Alright y'all, so check this out. The audio you're hearing right now is still going through the microphone of the camera right now, but I went ahead and just pre-recorded a hook for a song that I actually wrote a long time ago. I'm getting ready to record it live. So the hook is going to be pre-recorded, but the verses and stuff like that are going to be live. You guys are going to see it probably from 2 angles. I don't know. I got a camera over there, camera right here. This microphone sounds amazing. I love the quality of it. This is definitely a steal, like a big time steal. Make sure y'all pick it up. Again, right now I'm going to go ahead and record a song that I wrote a very long time ago, but this is actually the very first time that I'm recording it. So we're going to do it live right now, and let's get it. Let's see how it sounds.